Meet the Cloudinary vscode extension, now in beta. What if you could handle your media assets without ever leaving your IDE? Browse, search, upload, and reference assets right there in your coding flow. Let's run through the installation. Search for Cloudinary in the vscode extensions marketplace and hit install. Once installed, you'll see the Cloudinary icon appear in your activity bar. To get started, configure your Cloudinary credentials. You'll need cloud name, API key, and secret, which you can retrieve from the Cloudinary console. Add them to your environments.json file. Click the config option from the extension toolbar to open this file and replace the placeholder content. You can add multiple product environments and switch between them right from the VS Code status bar. Once configured, your entire Cloudinary library is available in the sidebar. Browse folders, preview assets, and use the search to find assets instantly. Filters let you narrow results by type: images, videos, or raw files. Need to use an asset in your code? Right-click to copy its public ID or a full secure URL. If you need new assets, upload them directly from VS Code. They'll appear in your library in seconds. You can choose to upload to the root or select to upload directly to a specific folder. The library allows you to preview your images and videos without leaving VS Code. You can easily also see your tags and metadata for that asset. If you're working across multiple product environments, you can easily switch from the status bar and your asset tree updates instantly. So there you have it. The Cloudinary VS Code extension is now available to try in beta. Give it a go. Streamline your workflow and let us know your feedback on GitHub. We can't wait to see what you build.